which will be Senator Jordan.
Thank you, Mr. Chairman. Mr. Chairman, I just have some specific questions about language.
Sure.
It says or loses a monument. Is that a real issue? Are people losing?
I would say losing
lot of
maybe
monuments?
stealing or theft by taking, perhaps. It'd have to be, in my opinion. Losing. How would you lose a monument?
Well, that's my question.
My question would be somebody has removed it, perhaps. Maybe we could change the language, but I'm not sure we're going to do that today.
Okay. Also, with respect to this bill, you have now created, or this creates a private right of action, correct?
Well, explain what you mean by that.
It means people can now sue folks.
I mean, lawyers got to eat too. I think you already are pretty well versed on that, aren't you? I don't understand. I mean,
On suing people, or?
yes, on suing people.
Well, right. And so here we've created a private right of action where we're going to treble the damages.
Well, we're already, the law already has that private monuments are already protected by law. This just adds the public ones.
Understanding that, but trebling is tripling actual damages, correct?
Yes. That's just for the bad guys that are destroying monuments, they're going to have to pay to repair them or replace them, and also even more so.
And in terms of the value of these monuments, who makes that determination in terms
I'm not really sure.
of trebling here?
I'm sure they're historians or whatever, and they can be a point of the legal process. I'm sure that you would have your experts, and somebody would have their experts, and the jury or the judge would come to that conclusion.
Okay. And then in terms of, for example, the cyclorama, right?
Yeah.
The cyclorama was
I've
moved.
never been there, though, actually.
Well, it's great, and
know,
it
I
is now at the Atlanta History Center.
Right.
And so under this bill, that would be illegal to do that, correct?
No.
If you're moving it from a place that it
it's
wasn't
already
before.
in a concealed place.
Well, Atlanta History Center, isn't it a museum, or?
Yeah.
Right.
You couldn't put let's say you had a monument outside that has been there for years. You couldn't move that to the museum to conceal it. Now, if you were at one museum to another, I'm sure that would be acceptable.
But that's not what the language is, though.
Well, for some people it is, and some people it isn't. It's a lawyer's decision. Not that I'm aware of lawyers usually, not you, of course, Senator, but lawyers usually make their decision or their counsel according to how they're paid or who they're paying, who are they being paid by. So I'm sure that's just a matter of interpretation. If we need to make it stronger, I'm sure we can. And thank you for that. I appreciate your counsel.
Well, once we figure out what losing a monument means, or if it's a
Okay.
real problem in the state of Georgia, I'd appreciate to know about.
Well, they were in my cemetery anyway.
All right. Thank you for those questions.